you doing, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are headed to Cars and Coffee, but before we head to the Cars and Coffee location, we are going to be meeting up with a bunch of friends. From there we're going to cruise to the Cars and Coffee spot, so it should be a lot of fun. It's exciting. Hopefully it's a big group this time. I never really make it because I'm always sleeping on Saturday early mornings, but hopefully today we'll get there in time and, you know, see all the cars, because apparently the Cars and Coffee is pretty big and there's a lot of nice cars out there. So I'm excited. Stay tuned and we'll see y'all at the meet spot. All right, so we made it, but for some reason nobody really showed up other than Chris and his R8. So we're gonna head to the Cars and Coffee and hopefully, you know, people are actually out there, because it said it might rain and that scares a lot of people. But we're gonna head to the Cars and Coffee location. But look at that, that's my dream right there, is to own that R8. All right, so it's just me and Chris cruising right now. But look at that beautiful R8. That's dreams, baby. So good. I would love to get one of those. I love the Aston to death, but that's the dream right there, to get one of those R8s. Soon I'll get one of those R8s. Got two Lotuses. Nice Amira. Never seen this balloon. Oh shit. You got the white interior as well. Yeah. Nicely spec'd, and then you got the Aurora bronze wheels. This one's also nicely spec'd. Pretty nice. Yeah, they come V6 supercharged. Yeah, even that one. And it's in mint condition. Mint condition. Yeah. Look at this. What is this, old Cobra? It's a full-on race car. Full-on race car. Gutted. That is pretty cool. Yeah. 992s, 991s. They are pretty big. Oh man, I love this interior. He got the color combo that I would get. Pretty nice G80. And then I haven't left off the SLS. Now these are pretty nice. I would love to get one. This one's spec'd out. I guess it's a bland spec, just red and tan interior. But nevertheless, pretty nice. Man, oh man. That's what I heard. One day.
How are you? Good. This is.
God, man, look at this. This is absolutely crazy. You don't see a lot of these at all. Cars and Coffee is crazy because you get to see all these crazy cars.
810-7527.
Oh, hell yeah. He won. Chris won. Chris won. Chris won a raffle. Let's see what he won. What'd you win, bro?
Got my t-shirt.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
This is probably the best car here. My childhood dream car. Now, it's not in black, but it was in the viola. I can't remember the exact color, but it's like that light pink purple color. One day I'll own one of these because, I mean, just a dream. It's a dream to own one of these. I'll trade the Aston for this. I don't care. One day, if I can find one in the same color that I want. Just look. It is super, super clean.